Hello, my name is Michael Ha, and I am a PhD student in the Earth and Planetary Science Department at UC Davis, and I study rocks from the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. We know that hydrogen, carbon, and nitrogen are essential elements for life on Earth. But what is unknown is when these elements were delivered to the Earth, the amount of these elements that were delivered, and if the surface conditions of the early Earth was conducive to the formation of the molecules that make up life. Clues to answering these questions are trapped within the Earth's interior. However, there are several obstacles to overcome before we can reveal the secrets recorded inside the Earth. For example, hydrogen, carbon, and nitrogen are reactive elements, thus have mostly lost their primordial signature in the rocks produced today. Another obstacle comes from our lack of understanding of the genetic relation between the magmas that produced the rocks at the bottom of the ocean. It is not always apparent if the samples we collected are representative of the primordial mantle or if there is mixed within it a contaminant. To overcome these challenges, I measure the inert noble gases, which are excellent tracers of mantle processes and of the components that deliver the essential elements for life. But the noble gases have their own set of challenges, primarily due to their exceedingly low abundances in the range of picomoles to femtomoles. I want to thank ARGS for their support, as their funding allows me to utilize the latest generation of mass spectrometers and procedures to make measurements that have historically been difficult and often impossible to make. Now, I want to walk you through a couple images that highlight the steps of my research. First, you may ask, how does one get rocks from the bottom of the ocean? Well, we use a technique called dredging. Using the research vessel Knorr, a metal net was dragged along the bottom of the ocean and collected rocks. And actually, when I say rocks, I mean glass, as you can see here. These tiny frozen bubbles in the glasses have trapped within them the gases that were exhaled by the Earth. These samples are then crushed under vacuum to release the gases, then sent to the mass spectrometer. The data is collected and treated to remove any contaminants, and the data is interpreted to provide us with a clearer picture of the components within the mantle. Thank you.